Have you ever wondered what sounds echo through the vastness of space? NASA has recorded some of the strangest sounds ever captured beyond our planet. From eerie whistling to haunting melodies, these sounds tell a story. Each sound reveals the mysteries of the universe, sparking our imagination. Listen closely as we explore the bizarre audio from the cosmos. These These recordings are not just noise, they are the voices of the universe. Join us on this journey through the strange symphony of space.